God, I love how soft this hair feels like. So I went ahead and deep conditioned it last night. So I went ahead and deep conditioned the hair with Suave Almond and Shea Butter. The hair did have a bit of a factory smell, which I just continued to wash thoroughly until it was gone. I placed it after it was kind of damp on a mannequin dome head and ran my fingers through it with some Curls Blueberry Bliss Gel and allowed it to air dry. Then I made sure to part the hair and allow it to dry in place. And as you can see, like, the hairline already came pre-plucked. And probably I will create some not so obvious baby hairs later on today. But the curls are gorgeous. Now, I'm not really sure how to bleach knots, so I think I'm just gonna use a little bit of foundation powder to conceal that. You do get a ton of parting space. Eventually, I'll be wearing my part to the side, which is how I prefer it. All right, you guys, so I'm back after having some good Thanksgiving food with my family. And now I just want to speak to you about some of the text and specs on this unit that I'm wearing right now. I got it in a 12-inch. It is 150% density, and it is a virgin hair human, human lace wig. And if you can just see the curls, they pop. Now, mind you, this is day one of me wearing the unit. I'm definitely gonna do an update in about 3 months. I think updates are important. To me, watching YouTubers that do updates on unit let me know a little bit of the longevity. Like, obviously, we have to keep in mind of how they're taking care of the unit, because the more you take care of the unit and prepare it with like the right conditioners. I personally don't sleep with my units. I take them off every night and put it on a mannequin head. But just taking care of the unit will secure it to last for a really long time. So for me, watching YouTubers who showcase, the unit after 3 months and it's in still good condition just lets me know that obviously I'll be able to do the same thing. One of the minor issues that I found is that I could have cut a little bit closer. Obviously you want to leave enough lace, but I feel like I could have done that. Definitely part the hair a little bit more. So I'll end up just lightly respraying it, parting it, putting some foaming mousse on it and redoing it again. Now, as you can see that the hair kind of expanded a little bit. So the more you touch it, it'll kind of, get a little bit bigger. I'm okay with that. Just because it's short and I don't feel like it's getting that big that it's like taking over my face. If you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my iPad. So this is the Jessica hair. It's a hair that I got off of the Amazon website. Pretty affordable, I should say. It's $109.50, obviously with your tax, but hey, with Amazon Prime, you get this wig in about 2 days. I haven't attempted to cut it. I kind of like the length that it is now. Hey, and if you guys are interested in this makeup look that I created, I'll put all of the information in the description box below, so stay tuned for that.